Handling offers and negotiating effectively is one of the most crucial parts of the home selling process. It's where preparation meets strategy and where we maximize the value of the property. Now today, I'm going to walk you through how I handle offers and the negotiation tactics that I use to get the best results for all my clients. So the first thing I do is I review the offer thoroughly. When an offer first comes in, the first step is to review it in detail. I analyze every component: price, contingencies, financing terms, closing timeline, and any special requests. It's not just about the number on the top of the deal, it's about the offer as a whole. My goal is to ensure it aligns with the priorities of my seller and protects their interest. The next thing I do is I sit down with my client to explain the terms of the deal. I highlight the pros and the cons, compare it to the current market trends, and provide recommendations based on my expertise. This way, they can make an informed decision with confidence. I always have open lines of communications. Look, once my seller decides to move forward, I always reach out to the buyer's agent to clarify any questions and gauge the flexibility of their client. Open communication is going to set the stage for an effective closing and negotiations. And it's also going to build rapport, which is crucial for finding common ground. Negotiation is where I shine. Here are some of the tactics that I use all the time. Number one, start from a position of strength. I highlight the unique features of the property and current market demand to justify my price. If we have to have a counter, if the offer isn't where we want it to be, I craft a counter offer that prioritizes the goals of my seller while keeping the buyer engaged. And I leverage deadlines. Timing can create urgency. I use deadlines to encourage a quick and decisive action from the buyer. Guys, always stay calm and always be professional through your negotiations. Negotiations can be emotional, but I ensure we remain focused on achieving the bottom line. How are you going to handle multiple offers? Look, if you receive multiple offers, that's wonderful. So have a clear comparison to help your client evaluate them side by side. I might suggest the best and final strategy, or I might negotiate with the strongest buyers to further enhance their offers. My goal is to position my seller to make the best possible decision. It's time to finalize the deal. Now, once we agreed on the terms, I make sure that all the paperwork is accurate and complete. I stay in close contact with all parties, buyers, sellers, agents, lenders, attorneys, to keep the process on track. My focus is on smooth closing that leaves everyone satisfied and super happy. So handling offers and negotiation is an art and a science. With experienced preparation and the right strategy, you must ensure to achieve the best possible results for all your clients' needs.